In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search within Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a quick refresher on how to find data in a large spreadsheet, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, with your Google Sheets document open, you'll want to initiate the search function. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl F. For Mac users, press Command F. This will bring up a small search bar at the top right corner of your sheet, making it ready to receive any keywords you're looking to find. Think of this search bar as your command center, a powerful tool for quickly locating the information you need without manually sifting through rows and columns. Once the search bar is open, the next step is simple. Enter the keyword or phrase you wish to locate within your document. As soon as you start typing, Google Sheets will automatically highlight all instances of your keyword throughout the spreadsheet. This feature is incredibly useful when dealing with extensive sheets, allowing you to quickly identify where certain data points or topics are located. It's a real time saver and helps ensure you're not missing any relevant information. Now, Google Sheets also offers an additional layer of functionality for more specific searches. To access these, look for 3 vertical dots next to the search bar and give them a click. This opens up more search options, allowing you to refine your search or customize it according to your needs. For instance, you can choose to match entire cell contents, search within particular columns, or adjust the search to be case-sensitive or insensitive. These options are particularly handy if you're dealing with complex spreadsheets where precision is key. Exploring these advanced settings might seem a little daunting at first, but don't worry. Experimenting with different options can significantly enhance your ability to find exactly what you're searching for, especially in larger datasets. By taking advantage of these tools, you ensure that your search is both accurate and efficient, ultimately streamlining your workflow. And that's it. You've learned how to search within your Google Sheets document effectively. By utilizing both the basic and advanced search functions, you can easily locate the data you need, thus enhancing your productivity and saving precious time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips make your Google Sheets experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insights. Until next time, happy spreadsheet searching.